Maybe not. It doesn't look that good actually. Oh, dude. Bro. Perfect. Okay, yeah. Oh. Oh, okay, cool. Bro. Perfect. Okay, guys. Oh, okay, cool. I'm done! We spent so long trying to find a fetching fox. I take it, I bring it home. Creeper. Oh man. Creeper blows it up. Like, are you kidding me? Out of anything else that it could have been right there, Creeper blows up my fox. Foxes! Ah! Snake game tomorrow. Oh. Sorry, too much. Bye. Today, chat. Thanks for popping in. We'll see you guys tonight. Drop a follow, drop a sub, drop a like, drop a. Anyways, we'll see you guys tonight, dude. It's gonna be great.